Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this one is again about some of the scale models that I've recently bought. As recent as today, I just received it today. Today is I think the 17th of December 2021, and I just received these two packages. Now each of these packages has two Tomica models in them. So two in this, two in this. I haven't really checked which one has what, so I'm going to open it up right now and I'm going to make, out of the four models that are inside, I'm going to unbox one of them. So let's see. I will be choosing this pack now. Let's see what's inside. And here are the two models. One of them looks like it's Suzuki Katana. Yay, this is the motorcycle from Tomica. This should be very interesting. And the other one here is an Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato. So these are the two models right now inside this box. The Katana has a wider box, as you can see here. The Aston Martin has a narrower one. And for now, I'll be opening up the Aston Martin. Let's keep the Katana aside for another time. Do keep subscribed to the channel and you'll be able to see the unboxing of this very soon. So right now this is a direct video. I'm just quickly opening this up and it's gonna just come out of the box in a moment now. These things are quite tightly packed. There's a lot of Chinese write-up everywhere. If any kids are unboxing these, do take help of elders because sometimes they're a bit, stubborn. You might need to use a blade, and in that case, don't cut your hands. Keeping all that aside for now, this is the uncovered box of the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato, made in Vietnam, it says, and I think it's the model number 10 from Takara Tomy. Opening it up now, and here is the beauty. The best part I see about Tomica is, I don't know, there's some kind of excitement in the simplicity. It's a small cardboardish kind of box, but inside that there's a small plastic which has the toy model. It feels so cool actually. I mean, it's a simple pleasure of opening this up, this noise itself, but then it feels so good. And this is the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato. Tail lamps seem quite neatly detailed to the max possible. The wheels are full, they're not the spaced mag wheels. Fog lamps over here, below, headlamp here. There's a small Aston Martin badge over here. Let's open up the door. And the interiors, you can see, quite decently detailed, quite nicely detailed for a 1:64 scale model. Let me just get back to focus. Okay. Yeah, so quite neatly detailed interiors as well. Looks good. Only the interiors of the doors are not completely finished up in paint, but that's okay. No complaints about that. At the base, it's written Tomica Tomy. Number 10, Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato, made in Vietnam. And as it is a norm, a common norm in all of the Tomica models, this car too has suspension. So you can see the wheels, just bounce up. This is how it is. And it also moves quite smoothly. That's good, that's good. There's no resistance or hesitation in the wheels moving. I mean, it is Atomic after all, that quality is taken care of. So once again, this is the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato from Tomica. What a beauty. It's a treat to actually check out the way the suspension bounces. Yeah. And once again, this is the Tomica Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato. If you would like to also see the unboxing of Suzuki Katana, do stay subscribed to the channel. And if you've already owned one of these, the Tomica models or this one, do write up in the comments below and let me know your experience as well. Until next time, have fun, stay safe, see ya.